Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see will change the way you think about art forever. I asked AI to recreate 50 art styles from the oldest cave carvings to futuristic neon worlds, and the results look unreal. And here's the craziest part. You can make every single one of them yourself, for free.
Step 1. Click the link in the description. Step 2. Copy the prompt pack you'll see there. It's completely free. Step 3. Open ChatGPT. Step 4. Paste one of the prompts, and boom. Watch your own art universe come to life. Every world you're about to see was made exactly this way, with just words. Let's explore 50 worlds of art, from history, imagination, and everything in between. The Classics Reborn. We start with the roots of human creativity, where every mark meant something. Etching, born from acid and metal. Artists burned their drawings into copper plates to preserve light forever. Woodcut, one block of wood, one knife, and endless patience. This is how artists printed entire stories before printing presses existed. Calligraphy, where handwriting became performance. Every curve of ink shows centuries of discipline and emotion. Typography art, when letters stop talking and start building. Words become architecture. Naive art, imperfect, innocent, and honest. It's the art that says, you don't need training to be expressive. Inkwash painting, just black ink and white paper. Every stroke a breath, every space intentional. You can create all of these in ChatGPT. Click the link, copy a prompt, paste it, and generate. Painted worlds of wonder. Now, the world fills with color. Gouache, thick, vibrant, and matte. Disney's secret weapon for classic animation. Pre-Raphaelite, art that worships detail. Every petal, every ripple, painted with obsession and love. Rococo, elegance turned visual. Pastel dreams of 18th century luxury and softness. Sgraffito, art revealed by destruction. Layers of color scratched away to uncover hidden beauty. Dreamcore, like wandering through a dream you half remember. Soft colors, haunting nostalgia. Weirdcore, the uncanny cousin. The internet's favorite aesthetic. Strange, familiar, and just unsettling enough. Normalcore, peace in the ordinary. A glowing window, warm light, the beauty of real life. Join our community, link below, to download all the prompts free and recreate these styles yourself. Future/biopunk, half organic, half mechanical. Living machines powered by DNA and neon. Post-apocalyptic. When the world ends, post-apocalyptic. When the world ends, nature takes back what's hers. Beauty in collapse, ferrofluid art, real magnetic fluid forming spikes and patterns. It's physics performing art. Tachism, pure emotion and color. Artists literally threw paint to express feelings words couldn't. Dadaism, born from rebellion. It's chaos, humor, and nonsense. The art that laughs at itself. Art brute, unfiltered and raw. Created by outsiders, self-taught visionaries, and pure feeling. Art informal, texture, gesture, and flow. Painting that feels alive. Molecular art. Zoom in far enough, and atoms become art. The universe itself turns creative. Join our community, link in description, and get the free prompt pack to generate your own biopunk city today. Street, spirit, and smiles. Art moves from temples to sidewalks and into the heart of pop culture. Chalk art. 3D illusions drawn in dust. It vanishes in the rain but leaves a mark forever. Visionary art. Sacred geometry, glowing colors, and cosmic perspective, where art meets spirit. Corporate Memphis, bright, flat digital optimism. Love it or hate it, it's the face of every startup ad. Cute vector SVG, soft shapes, happy icons, simplicity that makes you smile. Retro vector, 1960s design reborn. Travel posters, atomic shapes, nostalgia in color. Y2K, chrome dreams, metallic light, and cyber nostalgia. The early 2000s reimagined. Chibi, adorable worlds in miniature. Japan's tiny cartoon revolution. Kawaii, pastel joy. Smiling clouds, candy hearts, and a culture built on happiness. Click the link below and make your own happy, shiny, or spiritual world right now. All it takes is a prompt, texture, and touch. Now art becomes touchable again. Rough, real, imperfect. Claymation, sculpted frame by frame, one movement at a time. That's hundreds of hours for just a few seconds. Doodle art, creative chaos unleashed. Every inch of the canvas filled with imagination. Lo-fi art, cozy, nostalgic, slow. Rain, warm light, peace, the art of comfort. Comic book style, halftones, ink lines, and hero energy. Art that leaps off the page. Futurist architecture. Cities that look like motion. Structures designed to feel like energy itself. Wabi-sabi, the Japanese art of imperfection. Cracked, aged, and beautiful because it's real. In our community, link in description, and get the free prompt pack to generate your own biopunk city today. Art through time. Let's time travel through creation. Fossil art, Earth's first drawings, pressed into stone over millions of years. Vernacular art, the stories of people, not empires. Folk murals, handmade crafts, pure authenticity. Stamp art, tiny frames of national pride. History shrunk down to an inch of ink. Indian murals, temples turned cosmic. Stories of gods told in gold and red. Thai murals, symmetry, spirituality, and devotion, painted in gold leaf. Egyptian murals, the blueprint of storytelling. Ancient painters turned walls into history books. Tibetan thangka, sacred scrolls painted for meditation, full of hidden symbolism. Sumi-e, pure simplicity. One brushstroke can hold a lifetime of training. Etagami, watercolor postcards with handwritten words. Tiny, heartfelt, timeless. Neo-primitive. Tribal power meets modern design, the spirit of the cave reborn. Zetiology, religion rewritten in light. Neon temples of data and belief. If one of these worlds feels like home, hit that like button and comment your favorite style below. Wonder and memory. We end with curiosity and chaos. Wonderkammer, cabinet of curiosities. The world's first museums filled with bones, shells, and secrets. Casino art, neon gold and motion. The energy of luck turned into visual adrenaline. Exquisite corpse, surreal collaboration where artists draw different parts of a body without seeing the rest. The result? Madness and beauty. Anachronistic art, the grand finale, time itself collapsing. Baroque meets cyberpunk. Nights walk under neon skies. 50 art styles. 50 worlds. Everyone created with just a few words and a little imagination. Don't just scroll through creativity. Be part of it. Every single masterpiece you've seen here started with a few words. And now, the next one could be yours. Like, subscribe, and drop your favorite art style in the comments. We might feature your creation in the next video. This is 50 art styles, and this is just the beginning. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting updates.